Privatbrauerei Egerer. Perlenzauber comes in at a 5.4% ABV, 8 unavailable IBU. It gets an average rating on Untapped of 3.28.
One morning in June, some 20 years ago, I was born a rich man's son. I had everything that money could buy, but freedom I had none.
Oh God, how do I not?
I've been looking for freedom. I've been looking so long. I've been looking for freedom. Still the search goes on. I've been looking for freedom since I left my hometown.
It's German beer. Come on. Anyways, let's open this German pale ale. Oh yes, sexy looking. And that actually looks like a hazy. I have to point out the can right away. Literally looks like a woman drowning, and you're in a ship, and you're just, seeing her drown. Yeah, that's awesome. Anyways, to the beer. Again, really nice head. Wow, it is like holding its shape too. It's super fine, thick foam. The bubbles are super fine. I don't know if you can see that. Let's go into it. Okay, right away, it has that not good German taste to it. That cheaply made, kind of old bottle room kind of smell. There's a little redeeming qualities in the middle. This has got some biscuit notes, very light sweetness. Again though, medium body. And I equate that to the water that is in Germany and over in Europe. Let me put it. All the flavors that come out are very quick. There is a really weird, just like dirty beer taste to it, and then disappears really fast and goes into, oh, this is actually kind of a nice malty sweetness. Then you swallow it, and then you finally swallowed it, and then there's just nothing. Like, there's nothing. There's actually no back flavor or anything that lingers on my tongue. When they say German pale ale, I don't know what that is. At least put a little bit of hops into it, maybe a little more. I was looking for freedom. I'll probably get demonetized for that. Like I'm monetized. Well, but hopefully tomorrow brings a better beer. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and we will both find out together. Cheers, guys. Hey guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Untapped, Twitter, Facebook, all the big social media stuff. The links for those will be down below. Check out some of the other videos I did on this Beer Advent Christmas Calendar series. They'll probably be over there. Yeah, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.